Alright, gang, we're doing Wolf Creek. That's pretty sick. Phew! Whoa, shoot, I almost died. Okay, yeah, still gonna learn how to ski again. Okay, yeah, here's the first corns. Alright. Phew! Woo! Phew! Send it! Yeah, Wolf Creek always has, like, the best snow of all time. And we're gonna be here for like 3 days. So it's gonna be a long video. Oh, hell yeah. Phew! Alright. Phew! Oh, dude, this is good. See, Wolf Creek always has the best snow, like, of all time. Oh, there's a vlog. Oh, dude, it's so satisfying.
Go too far left.
Oh, yeah. We have to stay on this ridge, or else we go into the Valley of Doom. Okay. Whee! Oh, it's so good. Whee! Oh yeah, this is where it gets good. This is where it gets awesome. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, this is like the best skiing of all time. See, I told you you'd get good eventually. You. You. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is good.
Yeah, just try to stay on the ridge.
I'm kind of off the ridge, which is a problem, but it's fine. It's fine. Oh, dude. I can't even see my skis. Oh, check out this line, dude. Perfect straight shot. Yeah. Build up speed. Alright. And then now, we're going super duper fast. We can go wherever we want. Phew! Oh, hell yeah. Woo! Oh, dude. Oh my god, yeah, this is so good. Oh, it just keeps on going. Oh shoot, this is steep. Oh yeah, this is interesting. Woo! Phew! Oh, that was epic. Epic line there, dude. Epic, tubular, and split. Nice. I went down the steep part. I have the best idea because I could have caused an avalanche. But it's fine. It's fine. Oh, hear me out. Can I hit this line? I can hit this line. So let's do our innovation strategy for these boring flat parts. You see, we steal other people's tracks. Oh. Yeah, there's a log there. Oh. Oh. Oh, I fell down.
Gotta fall up, man.
Yeah, that's my bad. Yeah, that little spot with all the gnarly stuff I fell in.
Oh yeah, you got caught in the box.
Yeah.
Here he is. Oh, there you are.
Yeah. We thought you died.
Did you fall wiped out? Yeah. Yeah,
Me too, yeah.
It is a little thin compared to the past times I've been here.
Oh, is it a jump? Okay. Oh, I'm getting so much speed. Okay, hold on. I got way more speed than I was wanting. Woo! Oh my god, this is... Oh. Okay. Oh, it's so good.
Good part. Yeah, watch out for logs.
Woo. That was a log that I could have died on, but it's fine. I'm alive. Woo! Oh my god, like 7 drops in a row. Ooh, I see something of interest to the right. Is that the giant rock? Dude. What is this? I have to know now. Okay. Whoop! We can get enough speed. Woo! Whoa! Oh, that's fun. Woo! Oh my god, okay, yeah, it's really shallow snow. I'm hitting so many rocks. Whee! Woo! I'm gonna say right. Never mind, don't go right. Okay, this is a horrible idea. Don't follow my line. Okay. Whee! Alright, I'm gonna be original here. Forge my own path. Okay. Dude, this is so good. Eee! Oh. Oh, no, don't go in the tree well. Uh-oh. Let's think about this. How am I gonna do this? Oh, wait, wait. That's fine. Okay, we're... Oh, wait. Alright, we're here for round 2. I don't know why I didn't record the climb. I mean, it is actually kind of boring. I doubt y'all would want to watch us walk uphill for an hour. Oh, I just skied over someone's piss. I'm going straight, dude. Yoo-hoo! Oh, yeah. Oh, it's good. Oh, don't want to go too far that way. I'm on the south-facing side. And it's hard. Just like me. Okay, I'll stop talking. Whee! Whoa! I had no depth perception there. Across this. Okay. Let's actually ski. Maybe. Whew. Oh, my bad, Kooky Bear. I have no idea if that's a good angle or not. Oh, dude, wait, this is... Oh my god. Woo! Hold on. Woo! Look at this. All to myself, dude. Epic. Whee! Oh, Steve. Woo! Woo! Oh my god. Woo! Oh yes. Oh yes. I swear I just heard something moving. Whoa! Whee! Ew! Oh my god. That's good. Ew! Oh my goodness. Ew! Oh my god. Woo! Oh, a log gap. Woo! Woo! Oh my god, dude. Whee! Woo! 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 So poopy. Ew! Oh, we're back to this. Okay. You're really gonna make me do that? I mean, okay. That wasn't too bad. It's a little interesting. Oh, it opens up though. Ew! Alright, now you can just coast down here. Ew! Nice. That was Yeah, that was like better than the last one. Well, I guess that probably concludes it there.